Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with entry number 12 for my birthday challenge giveaway, and this is from Aree, and I really hope I'm pronouncing your name right. And she is a REEson to create. Very, very fun play on her name. And she actually sent a whole bunch of stuff, you guys. Thank you so much, Aree. So her entries were in this loaded bag that she created, and everything is fall themed. And I'm sorry, I don't know what this came off of. It was in the envelope with the card. It looks like it came off of something. So Aree, please let me know where it goes and then I can adhere it back on. So let's start with the memory decks card. Look how cute that girl is. She is so sassy. And I love the long flowing hair. Looks like she colored it. I don't know if she did it with Copics or maybe Spectrum Noir. But she used some of these large sequins and popped them up. It looks like she used some Nouveau drops. She even put little tiny pink pearls for the end of the earring. How cute. And it says whatever. And it totally looks like that's what she's saying. She has some of these fabric type leaves in the background and this like orange holographic shimmery paper in the back. So thank you so much. Her favorite color is orange and her favorite season is fall. So as you can see, everything is fall themed. So I'm so glad that you created with what you love. So that is the memory decks card. Super cute. Thank you so much. Here is the card she created me. I believe this is a 5x7 as well. She used some orange corrugated cardstock, layered on a couple sheets of cardstock and some pattern paper. She paper pieced this gorgeous girl. I still have yet to cut into my dies for these. Has some bling trim on the card. She cut out this grass layer, like, oh, the top layer is cardstock, and then she has some green foam behind that to give it dimension. Super cute. And she heat embossed, wishing you a day that sparkles. So cute. Thank you so much. And this is the inside. Love this gold doily in here. It says, when things get busy, time slips by, but birthdays never wait. So finally, when we send our greetings, they may be just a little late. But when it is someone so special that we really like a lot, our thoughts are always on time. It is just our greeting that is not. That is so cute. Thank you so much. And she's saying happy belated birthday. So if you guys can see, that is her YouTube channel. I will have a link to her down below. Isn't that so cute? A REEson to create. So clever. She sent other things. So first I must apologize. She did send me a package. I have it right here. This package, and all of her toppers are so super cute, and I get a total sense of fall. And there was candy in here and it's long gone. So I really appreciate it. Like I mentioned, I have a sweet tooth, especially at night, so I didn't get to do the video before I ate it all, so I do apologize for that, but they were delicious. And here is some bows that she created for me. Look at these acorns. Are these real? Because they sure look like they are. But I'm going to keep it in the packaging. She has this beautiful gold die cut, believe, and it says always above that. Super, super cute. Thank you so much. That was so sweet of you. And like I mentioned, everything came in this loaded bag. She, it looks like she created it out of just like a lunch bag, like a craft lunch bag. She added some pattern paper. This one is super glittery and like embossed. She has a tag in the front here. Huge tag. And another gorgeous girl, super cute, and has all these little maple leaves all the way around. And I don't know if that's a punch or a die. And has some yarn up here with a bow and some plaid ribbon at the top. Super cute. Thank you so much. And then on the inside, along with her entries, Aree, you totally spoiled me. So that is what the bag looks like. She even covered the top flap on the back. Look at these super cute packages. So she has these tiny clothespins in different colors. I love that they're already colored. This other one with these super cute chipboard pieces. And it looks like she used a scallop circle to create a topper. And I think this is one of the chipboard items that are inside. Some of them are glittery and foiled. Super cute. I don't have a lot of fall items, so this will really come in handy. Oh. This other package, and these look like foam shapes. And some of them are glittery. Again, in the fall theme. Super cute. And then she had these two wands. Looks like she created the stem of this one with a chenille stem. But I think there's a stick behind it because it's really sturdy. She has a couple of scallop circles and then a rosette. So she just layered a whole bunch of items and it looks so cute. And I don't know if this is ribbon, but it's really sparkly, and she just has that tied in a bow. So thank you so much. And then this other one with a thicker base, and I never knew what to do with this. This is so cute. It's kind of like geo mesh, but it's in a tube form, and she either die cut or punched out some of these leaf sprigs and then put that same gingham ribbon underneath this acorn. That is so cute. Thank you so much. So this is entry number 12 from Aree. Please make sure to check out her channel. I will link it down below. Thank you so much for joining in my challenge and totally spoiling me. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in another video with another entry. Bye everyone.